I got a dog from downstate, and they said his name was Wyatt.
Wyatt, okay.
And he was a golden retriever mix and blah, blah, blah. So I said, oh man, I felt back there, I said, oh, he's already neutered, this is cool. And then Greg is down on the floor with him, and he goes, Jean, if this is a boy, I'll kiss your ass, you know. He says, he's got any penis. It was a girl. And it was a confiscate from an owner for abuse. It was a confiscate. You'd think they would know if it was a male or a female.
Right.
And stupid me, I didn't even think to feel for a penis. All I was feeling was for testes.
Right. Well, you figured
So
that.
then I had to bring her.
You figured the
I
owners know
adopted
what they
him out.
have.
I adopted.
At some point, he's already neutered, so.
The only good thing is they didn't keep him. They sent him back. They didn't want him.
Okay.
So then that's when we found out. So then I readopted him as a girl.
As Wynonna?
Winona.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you? Oh, I'm just joking.
Winona. That's what I named her.
Oh, like that's the only way that you can really like Wyatt. Not even a Wyatt and Winona is close, but I figure first syllable is still the same.